How good does that look? Woo! I'm awesome. Greetings one and all, it's DJ Barbecue, and today we're doing something a bit unusual. The fire's cooking, we got a nice little coal bed going, we got some wild cherry in there. We've never done rotisserie chicken before in our entire existence here on the channel. It's been going for over 4 years, so a lot of new stuff going on down right now. Now, when you go into the deep south, everybody's got a white sauce on their menu, all the barbecue joints. Now let's make the sauce, and it all starts with a mug of mayo. And white sauce wouldn't be white sauce without the tang. So we're gonna go with about 2/3 of a mug of cider vinegar. And now, more tang, half a lemon. We've got some horseradish, thumbnail worth of horseradish in our concoction. A pinch of sea salt goes in. White sauce is all about the pepper. So I'm talking like 2 tablespoons, man. Bring those flavors together. Oh my gosh, man, this smells phenomenal. Oh my. And now we need to get the chicken cooking. We're gonna do a quick little rub on this bad boy. So we got a gorgeous chicken here. I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil on the chicken. Smoked salt mixed with regular flake salt. Then we're gonna hit it with some black pepper. And then I'm gonna hit it with some sage and oregano. Give it a nice little rub, get it all over. Because remember, we're doing rotisserie chicken, so this thing's gonna get a nice even cook all over. Now the beauty of cooking rotisserie is you keep all those juices inside. Like, it's self-basting. It just keeps basting, and the fats and the collagens, everything's kind of breaking down and flavoring it, and it's all staying kind of locked into the center of this bird. So I need help. This is a very big spit. So I've got Gandalf's nephew, who is an aspiring wizard in his own right. At the moment, he's a wizard in a pirate metal band in Basingstoke, and he's gonna help me with a spit. So the chicken needs about 45 minutes on the rotisserie, and then we're gonna start hitting it with white sauce. The chicken is cooked. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Tangy and Moorish and just awesome. This is everything right here. It's been licked by fire. Oh my gosh. I'm DJ Barbecue. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Woo! Yes. Oh my gosh. How good does that look?